Have you ever wondered if the United States tax system applies to you, even if you are not a citizen and perhaps not even a permanent resident? It is a common question, and understanding your obligations is key to navigating the system smoothly. Generally, a non-resident alien must file a United States income tax return if they are engaged in a trade or business in the United States during the tax year, or if they have United States source income on which the tax was not fully satisfied by withholding. This often means if you earned wages or other income here, you likely have a filing requirement. The primary reason for this requirement stems from how the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, categorizes income for non-resident aliens. Income is typically divided into two main types: income that is effectively connected with a United States trade or business, like wages from a job, and fixed or determinable annual or periodical income, such as dividends or interest, which is usually subject to a 30% flat tax unless reduced by a treaty. If you have effectively connected income, or if your fixed or determinable income was not fully withheld, you must file a return. Additionally, even if no tax is due, you might need to file to claim a refund or certain deductions, credits, or treaty benefits. So, how do you determine your specific filing deadline and prepare? If you were engaged in a trade or business in the United States, or had wages subject to withholding, your individual tax return is generally due by April 15th of the year following the tax year. If you did not earn wages as an employee and are not engaged in a trade or business, but have other United States source income, the deadline is typically June 15th. Remember, these dates can sometimes fall on a weekend or holiday, in which case the deadline shifts to the next business day. It is also possible to request an extension if you need more time. A valuable insider tip for non-resident aliens is to always check if your country has an income tax treaty with the United States. These treaties can provide significant tax benefits, such as reduced tax rates or exemptions on certain types of income. To claim these benefits, you often need to file Form 1040-NR, or non-resident alien income tax return, and include specific treaty statements. Not claiming these benefits means you might be overpaying your taxes. Understanding when and why you need to file as a non-resident alien protects you from penalties and ensures you receive any refunds or benefits you are entitled to. By knowing your income sources, being aware of the deadlines, and utilizing resources like IRS Publication 519, you can confidently fulfill your tax obligations and maintain peace of mind.